look in his eye. Nuts and bolts in the late night sky. Tinker's paradise built in the shed. Grease monkey keeps the gears in his head.
Hey guys, Grease Monkey 3PO here, come to you in another video. So today I bought out the old Craftsman 6x2 or 4x6 I mean. So 4-wheel drive on the rear and then 0 drive on the front. Those are pushing tires. This is my conversion from a Craftsman garden tractor. Got 12-inch rims, 25-inch tires on it right now. Chain driven, chain on both sides. 2 axles. So we're gonna unload this here and then we're gonna go take it for a ride down the trail. Okay guys, just got back. Drove the tractor back on the trailer. You have to go backwards because the boom sticks out too much and it won't clear the gate. But yeah, so she ran pretty good. It went through there's not much mud around here right now. It's been pretty dry, but found some mud in the ditch back there. But yeah, this thing it's light enough where it will float. The quad, otherwise it sinks. Like the back end sunk like up to like 3/4 of the way up the tire, and this thing didn't really sink at all. If this thing was 6-wheel drive, it wouldn't. I think it would be even better. But yeah, and this thing is about 700-800 pounds with those tires on it. This thing is probably like 500. A lighter weight machine, and it got more wheel space because the 6 wheels touching ground, not just 4. And they're all 12-inch wide, so those are 12-inch wide too. So yeah, that was just a little test from not driving the thing in for about a year, 2 years, and it still runs and drives really great. I do want to put the new front end on with 25-inch quad tires, the skinnies on the front, just to make it so we're not leaning down all the time. Look like it's leaning down on the front end a little bit, like sit more level. And another thing with the 25-inch quad tires and a better front axle assembly on the front, you get a little more clearance on the front end. But anyways, it still runs really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye bye.